Have you ever wondered what keeps our planet alive and in balance every single day? From the air you breathe to the food you eat, an invisible system is constantly at work behind the scenes. It's a vast network where plants, animals, and even microscopic organisms interact with water, soil, and air to sustain life. This powerful system is called an ecosystem, and without it, life on Earth simply wouldn't exist. But how do these natural systems really work, and why are they so important for our future? Let's explore. Ecosystems are fascinating networks of living organisms and their physical environment, working together in harmony. Imagine a bustling city, but instead of humans, it's filled with plants, animals, and microorganisms, all interacting in complex ways. At its core, an ecosystem includes all the living things like trees, animals, and insects, as well as the non-living elements such as water, soil, and air. These components are interconnected, creating a web of life that supports various species and maintains balance. Ecosystems can be found everywhere, from the depths of the ocean to the highest mountains and even in your backyard. Each ecosystem has its own unique characteristics, shaped by factors like climate, geography, and the types of organisms that inhabit it. Take a forest ecosystem, for example. It's a vibrant community where trees provide shelter and food for countless animals, while the soil is teeming with microorganisms that help decompose organic matter. This decomposition is crucial, as it recycles nutrients back into the soil, promoting plant growth. Then there's the desert ecosystem, where life has adapted to extreme conditions. Cacti store water, while animals like camels have developed unique ways to survive with minimal resources. Each organism plays a role, contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. Ecosystems are not just about the living and non-living components, they also involve energy flow and nutrient cycling. Energy from the sun is captured by plants through photosynthesis, forming the foundation of the food chain. Herbivores eat these plants, and then carnivores eat the herbivores. This flow of energy is essential for sustaining life. Nutrient cycling is another critical process. When plants and animals die, their bodies break down, returning essential nutrients to the soil. This cycle ensures that ecosystems remain productive and can support diverse life forms. Human activities can significantly impact ecosystems, often leading to degradation. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change threaten the delicate balance that ecosystems rely on. For instance, when forests are cut down, not only do species lose their habitats, but the entire ecosystem can collapse, leading to soil erosion and loss of biodiversity. Conversely, healthy ecosystems provide numerous benefits, often referred to as ecosystem services. These include clean air and water, pollination of crops, and carbon storage, which helps mitigate climate change. Protecting ecosystems is vital for maintaining these services and ensuring a sustainable future. Biodiversity, or the variety of life within an ecosystem, is crucial. High biodiversity often means a more resilient ecosystem, capable of withstanding environmental changes. Each species has a role, whether it's a predator keeping prey populations in check or a pollinator aiding in plant reproduction. Ecosystems are dynamic, constantly changing due to natural events like wildfires, floods, or human influence. These changes can lead to new opportunities for some species while threatening others. Adaptation is key. Species that can adjust to new conditions are more likely to survive. In urban areas, ecosystems can be found too, often referred to as urban ecosystems. Parks, gardens, and even green roofs contribute to biodiversity in cities. These spaces provide habitats for various species, helping to maintain ecological balance even in heavily populated areas. Education and awareness are essential for protecting ecosystems. Understanding the intricate relationships within ecosystems can inspire individuals to take action, whether it's through conservation efforts or sustainable practices in daily life. Community involvement plays a significant role in ecosystem conservation. Local initiatives such as tree planting or cleanup drives can have a positive impact on the environment. When communities come together to protect their local ecosystems, they foster a sense of stewardship and responsibility. Technology also plays a role in ecosystem management. From satellite imagery for monitoring deforestation to apps that help identify local species, advancements in technology can aid conservation efforts. These tools empower individuals and organizations to make informed decisions about protecting ecosystems. In conclusion, ecosystems are complex and vital systems that support life on Earth. They encompass a diverse range of organisms and their interactions with the environment. Understanding and protecting these ecosystems is crucial for maintaining the balance of nature and ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. By appreciating the beauty and importance of ecosystems, individuals can contribute to their preservation and foster a healthier planet. So, whether it's a lush forest, a bustling coral reef, or a simple garden, every ecosystem has its own story to tell. Embracing that diversity and working towards its protection can lead to a more harmonious relationship between humans and the natural world. Ecosystems are not just places, they are living entities that require respect and care. Each action taken to protect them contributes to a larger goal of sustainability, ensuring that future generations can also enjoy the wonders of nature. The journey to understanding ecosystems is ongoing, and every step taken towards their preservation is a step towards a healthier planet.